Hello everyone. Ayan, we make my panchan for today. We have many menu for today. Our omsik for today for dinner, chongyuk pap. Ayan, I make chukumi pukum or nachi pukum. And then of course we have hobak here. Ayan, pusut, mushroom fried, and then zucchini. And then we have spinach or sigumchi. And then, of course, the pak kimchi, spring onion kimchi. Ayan, this is all for today. Ayan. Let's eat dinner for today, guys. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. I make this, side dishes with love. Ayan. Thank you, everyone. Ayan. Let's eat dinner for today. Ayan. Thank you for watching.